Hello students, in today's lecture we will discuss the next important question from the one act play, A Marriage Proposal, which has been written by the Russian writer Anton Chekhov. The question under discussion is character sketch of Lomov in A Marriage Proposal. So let us begin with the discussion of answer to this question, character sketch of Lomov. Lomov is one of the main characters in the play A Marriage Proposal. He is a dim-witted young man. He always feels proud of his possessions. Possession means whatever he has, like property or money. He always feels proud of his possessions, whether it is his meadows or his dog. Meadows, where the cattle used to graze, those are called meadows. Whether it is his meadows or his dog, he is unwilling to give way to his neighbors. He is always careful about his appearance and his apparels. He is always careful about his appearance. Appearance means his looks, and his apparels. Apparels means his clothes, his dress. He's always he always wear his dress in a careful manner. He is always conscious of his superiority, for which he generally suffers. He always show himself superior than others, and for this reason he always suffers. Lomov is eager to get married soon. He is already 35, a critical age. He feels that now he must lead a regular life. He has a weak heart which keeps on palpitating. He suffers from sleeplessness. In the play, in the one act play, as we have already discussed in our previous lecture regarding this one act play, A Marriage Proposal, we have discussed that Lomov is eager to get married soon because he is already 35 years old. He feels that he must lead a systematic life now. He has a very weak heart which keeps on palpitating. Palpitating means which beats with a fast pace, fast speed on very petty things. He suffers from sleeplessness. He can't sleep well at night. In fact, he suffers from a number of ailments. Ailments means diseases. He has so many diseases. His bad health makes him hurry for marriage. Natalia is an excellent housekeeper and well educated. So, due to his bad health, he is in a hurry to marry. Natalia, daughter of Shubuko, who is his neighbor, is an excellent housekeeper and well educated. Her qualities persuade him to propose to her. He has no love for Natalia, but he has no other choice. He desires to marry her only for the sake of convenience, because Lomov is already 35 years old, so he wants to marry Natalia, although he has no love for her, but having no any other choice, he desired to marry Natalia for the sake of convenience. Lomov is pompous and self-opinionated, means he is of a showy nature. Pompous means he has a showy nature. Self-opinionated, he poses to be strong-willed, but he is nervous. He acts as he is very much strong-willed, but actually he gets nervous very soon. He gets excited soon. He becomes upset and nervous over small things. The moment he proposes his marriage, his heart starts palpitating and he becomes shaky. When he plans, he gets ready to propose Natalia for marriage. His heart starts beating with a fast pace and he starts trembling. Shaky means he starts trembling with nervousness. To avoid nervousness, he drinks water. His excited and irritating nature is because of his nervousness. In a fit of excitement, he cries out in a funny manner. He is not a balanced personality, so he gets nervous very soon. Lomov is short tempered. He has no control over himself. He picks quarrels over small matters. Lomov is short tempered, means he gets angry very soon. He has no control over himself. He picks quarrels over very petty things. When Natalia claims ownership over the meadows or the superiority of his dog, Lomov gets into a rage and picks a quarrel with her. Although he has visited the house of Shubukov and Natalia for the proposal of marriage for Natalia, but still he starts quarreling with her over the ownership of the meadows and the superiority of his dog. In his bad temper, he forgets all his good manners. For the sake of his dog, he calls his would-be father-in-law an old rat and a hen-pecked husband. He calls names to his would-be father-in-law, father of Natalia, Shubkov. He begins to abuse all the members of Natalia's family. He poses to be very fiery, means aggressive, but he is basically timid and weak. He pretends to be that he has a very aggressive nature, but actually basically he is a timid means weak. He is very timid and weak. Lomov is a confused man. He goes to Shubkov's house to propose Natalia, but he keeps beating about the bush. He doesn't come to the real point. He quarrels with Natalia over the ownership of the meadows and then over the superiority of his dog. Lomov is a confused man. He doesn't know what to do when he gets nervous. When he goes to Shubkov's house to propose Natalia, he doesn't come to the main point of putting his proposal of marriage before Natalia and her father, but he starts beating about the bush there, means he starts talking about here and there and doesn't come to the real point that he wants to marry Natalia, who is a young girl. He quarrels with Natalia over the ownership of the meadows and then over the superiority of his dog. And in the meanwhile, he starts quarreling with Natalia over the ownership of the pastures where the cattle used to graze, and then over the superiority of his dog. Thus both of them continue their quarrel over such petty things. Thus, up to the end, he fails to make his proposal. Thus he is not successful in putting his proposal before Natalia and her father Shubkov. So by whole of this by the study of whole of this answer, we we come to the point we can say that Lemov is a nervous kind of man who gets angry, who gets confused very soon. So students, today we have discussed the character sketch of Lemov, which is very important for you to learn. Tomorrow we will continue with our next lecture. Thank you very much.